Now, the largest democracy in the world has decided to shed some colonial baggage. We are talking about the Sedition law, which the government has now decided to review. Before we tell you more, let's understand what this law actually entails. It states that a person commits the act of sedition if he or she brings or attempts to bring in hatred, contempt or disaffection towards the government. The law is vaguely worded and widely abused. This law dates back to the British rule, when it was used to clamp down on dissent against imperialism. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the many famous faces who was tried under this law, and even after India became independent, the law has been rampantly misused. Somehow, even after 75 years of independence, sedition remains an ugly truth of independent India. But this might change soon. The affidavit filed with the Supreme Court reads, and I quote, "The Prime Minister believes that the nation needs to work even harder to shed colonial baggage that has passed its utility, which includes outdated colonial laws and practices." Here's what else it goes on to say. The Government of India is fully cognizant of the views being expressed on the subject of sedition and has considered the concerns of civil liberties and human rights while committed to maintain and protect the sovereignty and integrity of this great nation. It has decided to re-examine and reconsider the provisions of Section 124A of the Indian Penal Code. A review could lead to a possible repeal or an altercation, or rather an alteration, and this is crucial not just to uphold democracy but also to protect the space of conflicting opinions in a nation of some 1.4 billion people. And for more on this, our correspondent Aditi Gupta has sent us this report from New Delhi. Take a look.
A day after the centre told the Supreme Court that it will re-examine the sedition law, the top court has asked it how it will take care of the pending and future cases till the time it re-examines the law. With the centre telling the court that it will re-examine the law and urging it not to hold hearings on the petitions challenging the constitutionality of Section 124A of the IPC, a law which has been under the scanner for its colonial roots and spirit may see its end. And as many say, it could be a befitting tribute when India celebrates 75 years of its freedom. It would be a befitting tribute to the freedom fighters who have been subjected to this law more often. With camera person Ajit, this is Aditi Gupta for WION.
WION World is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.